Today I want to introduce a Google gadget, Autodraw. Autodraw is a web gadget, as the name suggests, has the function of automatic drawing. The website is. I believe you will often use a variety of small icons in the process of doing PPT, but sometimes the styles of icons you find on the internet are not uniform, which makes the final presentation of the page unsightly. And it is not realistic to make your own icons because it will take a lot of time. At this time, it is very convenient to use Autodraw. It does not matter, even if you are a novice, Google's built-in artificial intelligence assistant will automatically recognize your drawing and generate the corresponding icon. The use of Autodraw is relatively simple. Basically, you can understand it by opening the interface. Support in drawing mode, automatic drawing, with correction, drawing, text, filling, shape, etc. Each one is not complicated to use, so I won't elaborate on it. It is worth noting that the filling tool, if you are in the process of drawing the icon, you can use the filling tool to get the partial filling effect. The effect is also very good. Autodraw defaults to some commonly used canvas sizes. If you don't like it, drag the gray triangle in the lower right corner to adjust the canvas size. In the options, Autodraw also has the artists section. Here you can quickly see other people's paintings and original drawings. That's it for the introduction of Autodraw. It's really simple and easy to use. If you like, you might as well try it. Finally, I would like to remind the website of Autodraw is